Kathleen Merrill. I'm at the Thirsties warehouse. Let's see. My official title, I think, is Director of Business Development. That's what David always had. And so I've just adopted what he said. I figured that's fine. But I'm really just the person who works here and does a whole lot of different kinds of things like we all do here. So here I am. Hello. It's nice to see everybody. Oh, hi, sweetheart. My daughter just said hello. I love you. Okay, sorry, I'm feeling a little nervous. I haven't done a live before, so Jessica had to give me all the instructions on how to do it. And then Laura called me this morning and said, you have to post a description and that kind of thing. And I went, what? What's that? So this is a first for me, so please bear with me. A little bit about myself. I've been here for 8 years, and I had looked at the calendar, and I think actually today is my 8-year Thirsties anniversary. So that's kind of fun. It may be next Monday, I'm not sure. I looked back at 2013, and the 14th was a Monday, and I think it may have been today. So anyway, happy anniversary to me, maybe. So that's just a little bit about me. I'm really here to show you Sakura, which we just launched yesterday to our retailers, and a huge shout out to our retailers. I think it was a great launch. I think people have heard some horror stories about our cart crashing in the past, and it did really great. And I think everybody got what they wanted, and that means that you guys can order whatever you want from your favorite retailer. So we're very excited about this print. I think it's beautiful. I had been bugging David for a couple of years to give me this print. My mom's Japanese, and so I just really wanted a Japanese-inspired print. And Sakura has always been just a, beautiful print in my mind. So I finally emailed him, I think it was at the beginning of COVID, maybe. And I said, okay, my mom's 81 and I'm really ready now. So give me this print. And it's really funny that it ended up being the first print that we're launching after David's gone. So that was not planned. It was totally by accident, but kind of fun at the same time. So here's an up close of what it looks like. I think it's really pretty. I hope you guys like it. Let me show you the back. Laura had told me to grab some diapers to show you the colors, and I left them in my office, so I'm so sorry. I think though I don't really have anything that matches this pink. I don't have poppy, which I think possibly it could be close to, the lighter pink could be close to poppy, but I don't know because I don't have one. But this is a little different than anything we've done before, and I think it turned out great. I love the darker binding, and I don't know. I hope you guys like it. I really love it. I think it turned out great in bags. I know a lot of people are getting out of diapers and going into trainers and things like that. But my youngest is 16, so I haven't bought diapers in a million years. But I've got just about every bag that I could possibly want because I love these things. And I think they turned out really beautifully in the bags. I'm not sure what everybody uses them for, but I use them a lot when I travel, which obviously hasn't happened a whole lot this last year, but my daughter lives in Steamboat, and so whenever I take a little road trip to go see her, I put all of my toiletries in there. The last time I flew, it was really awesome because I'm from Texas and flew home to go see my folks, and I had put all my shampoo and conditioner and things like that in one of these mini wet bags, and it exploded on the plane. I assume it's from, coming from Colorado where the pressure's a little higher. And anyway, everything leaked out, and all I did was took everything out and rinsed out the bag, hung it up, and it was wonderful. Not using Ziploc bags anymore. We stopped using them about 2 years ago in our household, and it's been fantastic. And so I really like it. Here is the wet dry bag. I think this one's beautiful as well. Let's see. I'm sorry, I see millions of questions popping up, and I'm so bad at multitasking with this whole thing. I feel a little nervous, so I'm struggling with reading those as they disappear quickly on my phone. I'm not sure if I see any questions specifically. Maybe I'll just ask for questions in a few minutes. Another thing I wanted to show you guys that I think are really cute are our new bundles. So we've had collection packages for years. As you know, we usually do like a 4 to 5 print / solids collection, usually in October. Well, we stopped doing that. We don't do the ABC show anymore, and that was kind of, the way we were doing things. And since we don't really do that anymore, we decided, why don't we start coming out, refreshing our assortment and coming out with new diapers that can be regular lineup throughout the year. And so that's sort of what we're doing right now. We're trying to freshen up a little bit, discontinue some things that are just sort of stagnant, and coming out with more regular lineup things to freshen up. As far as, what we keep in our assortment, it's always based on sales. If you guys like it and you're buying it, we're going to sell it. If it doesn't sell, we're going to get rid of it and bring in something else that does sell. In our minds, selling is y'all telling us that you like it. So anyway, so here are our new bundles. This is Bundle of Love, and this is Bundle of Adventure. So Bundle of Adventure, we just did kind of a soft release to our retailers. I think it was maybe three or 4 weeks ago, I guess. And it's pretty standard diapers that we've had around for a while, but I still think it's really cute. I love the hang tag on here. Carrie did such a great job. But this one has Adventure Trail, Mountain Twilight, Seafoam, Forest Frolic, and Stargazer. And these are fantastic gifts. If you have friends who want to cloth diaper and they're having a baby, or somebody wants diapers for the birthday, or whatever it is, I think bundles are a great gift because they're packaged nicely. You can pop them in a bag or something else, and that's a great gift. This one right now is my favorite because it has Sakura. So this is Bundle of Love, and let me show you this one because this shows you all of the diapers. I think it is so cute. But it has Sakura, Rainbow, Seafoam, We All Scream, and Floribunda. So before we came out with Sakura, Floribunda was my all-time favorite. It was our first print that broke our cart, and we were shocked by that release, and I still love it so much. I have it in bags and everything at home, but I think Sakura is probably my favorite. I asked David for this one for a long time for my mama, and so my daughter will have this as well, and we'll just have matching bags and be happy about being a part of our culture. So I hope you guys like it too. If you have any questions, please post them, and I'll see as, oh, I see some ideas like totes and things like that. So we do have a lot of things in the works. We have so many things coming out this year. Some of it is just pent up stuff from last year. 2020 was such a weird year, and it really affected production. And, you know, we had a lot of things planned last year, and then all of a sudden when COVID hit, we just had to stop. And we were just trying to keep just what our retailers were ordering in regular lineup things, just going as much as we could. And we were out of stock of, I think at one point it was like 150 SKUs, which is huge for us. And so it was such a change in our business. And we put a lot of things on the back burner. A lot of things just got put on hold. So some of the prints that you'll see coming out the next couple of months are things that we're supposed to release last year, and we just couldn't do it. So, you know, so that's kind of what that is. The next few prints are things that David had in the works and worked with an artist to get done. And then I think the first one, start to finish, for me, I think will be released in May. So we'll see. We'll see if you guys like them. I know there's a whole thread somewhere where it says, you know, that's not kind of Thirsties or something. And I'm not exactly sure what that means sometimes. You know, I think that's why we do retailer exclusives, just so that it can, we can have a wide range of different prints so that there's something for everybody. You know, we always want everybody to love everything, but we know that you won't. And that's also our way of helping you not have to buy every single thing. So, so we do hope that there will be lots of things this year that you guys will like. And I think there will be, because we have a lot coming out between regular lineup switch outs, and we'll still have a few limited edition things. We hope to have some new products. Those things are tough because you know, how the whole process is so long, and we definitely want everything to be as perfect as it can be whenever we launch them. So sometimes product development doesn't come on, it doesn't really hit the calendar the way we want it to. But we've got our fingers crossed that we can get everything out this year that we want. But it's a lot. We have a lot of stuff coming out, and quite a few exclusives, and it's really exciting. The reason I didn't do the live from my office is because they're all over my office, and I can't show you those things, but man, I'm so excited. So I hope you guys will like it. I'm super excited for an awesome 2021. I know it's been a rough year for everybody. I hope you guys are hanging in there, and just know that that we sure love you guys. Please let me know if you need anything. I will read all the questions that are popping up and try to respond as much as possible, and let us know if you guys need anything. We love you.